Gerry. Some of you may already know me as a prenatal yoga teacher here at PYC. I have over 30 years of experience as a women's health nurse practitioner and clinical instructor for labor and delivery and childbirth educator. I'll be leading the Body Ready Birth Workshop, an innovative educational program that is designed to empower you and your partner for birth using key movements and positions to support the pelvis and its surrounding attached tissues. The amazing pelvis is not a fixed entity and can change its shape based on how you move. You'll not only learn the intuitive clues in labor that let you know where a baby is in their journey through the pelvis, but the exact tools that can create flow, balance, and space where it is needed. You and your partner will also learn and have an opportunity to practice foundational positions for pushing that naturally support a more efficient and safe birth. In addition to the live workshop with me, your registration includes a student packet and lifetime